Hello and welcome to this video presentation on pagination. I'm Asmita Dhungana from Department of Entomology. Pagination is a process of breaking up large amount of content into smaller, more manageable pages. It refers to retrieving result in pages rather than all at once. It is typically done for large result set where a user interface is shown that allows user to navigate the next or previous page of the result. It improves the user experience by making it easier to navigate through content, reducing load times and improving the overall performance of the website or application. Why use pagination? The first question you might be asking is why use pagination in the first place? There are several reasons why you might want to consider using pagination. First being performance. Large amount of content can slow down your website or application. By breaking up that content into pages, you can reduce the amount of data that needs to be loaded at once, resulting in faster load time. Second is user experience. Scrolling through a long page of content can be overwhelming and make it difficult for the user to find what they are looking for. Pagination can make it easier for user to navigate through the content and find what they are looking for. Next is SEO, search engine optimization. Search engines like Google often prioritize pages with shorter load times, and pagination can help improve load times and boost your SEO. Third, how to implement pagination. Now that we have covered why pagination is important, let's talk about how to implement it on your website. There are several steps on implementing pagination. First is determine the number of items per page. Before you can implement pagination, you will need to determine how many items you want to display on each page. This will depend on the type of content you are working with and the preferences of your user. Second is determine the total number of items. Once you know how many items you want to display per page, you will need to determine total number of items you have. This will help you calculate the total number of pages you will need. Third is display the content. Once you have the total number of items per page and the total number of items, you can start displaying the content on each page. This can be done by using a variety of methods including PHP or JavaScript. Next is add pagination links. Finally, you will want to add pagination links to your website or application. These links will allow user to navigate between pages of content. There are several types of pagination links you can use, including numbered pages, previous and next buttons, first and last buttons. Best practices for pagination. While pagination can be a powerful tool for improving the user experience and performance of your website or application, there are some best practices you should keep in mind that to ensure that your pagination is effective. First is provide clear navigation. Make sure your pagination links are clearly labeled and easy to navigate. Users should be able to quickly and easily move between pages of content. Next is use a consistent design. Consistency is key when it comes to pagination. Make sure your pagination links have a consistent design and are located in the same place on each page. Next is consider accessibility. Make sure your pagination is accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. This means using clear labels, providing alternative text for images, and ensuring that pagination links are keyboard accessible. Types of pagination. There are mainly three types of pagination. First being first and next pagination, where there is button for previous and next pages. Second is ellipsis pagination, where the page numbers are in some sort of sequence. And third being numeric pagination, where there is the page number or order wise. Hence, in conclusion, pagination is an important tool for breaking up large amount of content into smaller, more manageable pages. By following these best practices and implementing pagination on your website or application, you can improve the user experience, boost your SEO, and improve overall performance of your website or application. Thank you.